Getting your crush's number can be intimidating, but there are a few approaches you can take to improve your chances of success. One approach is to express interest in an activity and ask your crush to send you the details, which may prompt them to realize they don't have your number and give you theirs to coordinate. Another approach is to invite your crush to a group event, as this is less nerve-wracking than asking them on a date. Giving your crush a general invite like this is a low-key way to make them realize you haven't exchanged numbers yet. You can also use an excuse to give them your number, such as offering tutoring or a ride home. Another tactic is to mention that your phone's ringer has been acting up and ask your crush to call it, prompting them to ask for your number. If you're feeling bold, you can be direct about wanting to get to know them and offer your number without an excuse. Once you have your crush's number, it's important to play it cool and not contact them immediately. Regardless of the approach you choose, staying confident and cool is key.